name is Daniel Reed, and I'm here to tell you about an amazing product. Well, first picture this. Has this ever happened to you? You're making your delicious breakfast of eggs, only to be interrupted by a giant bird. He comes in and he beats you up because you're eating his children. Well, boy, do I have the product for you. Bird Be Gone! It's the #1 product for killing birds on the market. In fact, it's the only product on the market for killing birds. It works wonders for that reason, but don't just take my word for it. Here's some real-life examples on how it can help you. Wait, no! Bird Be Gone! Ah! Ah! Bird Be Gone!